So it's day 3 at Gatlinburg, Saturday, show day. Plan for today, I think Lane is out in the parking lot installing some new chasing tail lights if I didn't sleep too long, so I might go check that out. Adam's at a shoot right now, and he'll have another one in the afternoon, and we're gonna go check out the show for a little bit. They applied for the show for Sunday, so they don't go until tomorrow, but we're just gonna go check it out and see what's popping today. So I decided I'm gonna leave early tomorrow morning, so I won't be here for pretty much most of Sunday. Might just get up, grab breakfast, head home. My dad just had surgery, so I'm gonna go check on him to make sure he's okay. And yeah, I'm also a Cowboy fan, if you guys didn't know that. I'm a Cowboy fan, he's a Cowboy fan, so I'm gonna go watch the game with him. Really don't want to miss that. Been missing those because of car stuff lately. So yeah, that's the plan for today, as far as I know, and might do some shopping, I don't know, but yeah. Almost forgot. Yeah. Surprise, surprise. He is out here installing tail lights. Can't see through that bush. In the parking lot. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'll let Cole borrow my car to go get food. Come here. Come on. Make Mr. Krabs proud. Can't get it. I was gonna use that to buy car parts so well. I was looking from up on the balcony, but I couldn't really tell from there. Oh yeah, you can see it now.
Yeah, you'll see them once they're on. You'll see them.
This is gonna be fire.
I'll be up there.
Nothing yet. Uh-oh.
Reverse lights and
A little progress.
Woo! I told you to have a flip. No, that's all. No. Oh my god, you can jump in the shell like this and then do it.
the dead.
This looks good. Well, I know who that is.
They're full now. Everything like that.
Exactly. Man. Why is no Atlanta show ever this packed?
Right?
It's no wonder everybody's been pulling out of Atlanta, because we don't have support like this. Jesus Christ.
Dog gangs are.
Alright, so finally in the show. Our hotel was 2 miles away, and it still took us an entire hour to get here. Might have been more than that. I stopped counting.
No.
But, oh, hold on. Let me check out this real quick.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Woo, boy. Okay, so that's pretty much the end of day 3 for me, and probably pretty much the end of my Gatlinburg trip. I mean, obviously if I happen to do something tomorrow, I will, but it's Saturday night and I plan on going home tomorrow morning, Sunday morning. So yeah, it's been real. This is my first time coming to Gatlinburg for Slammedenuff. Beer. Yeah, first time coming to Slammedenuff in Gatlinburg. It's been everything that I thought it would be and more. Like, the quality of cars up here is way up there, and this is just totally blown away my expectations. So everything's been lit. I've been having fun. So I can't wait to come back here next year, to be honest. Hopefully next time I won't have to go home early, and hopefully next time I'll be in the show. I just wasn't this time because obviously, well, it's not obvious, but I just forgot to apply. That's literally all it was. I really just forgot to apply for the, you know, for a spot in the show. But next time my car will be better, looking better, probably performing better, and maybe I can hang with some of these big dogs around here, because man, this show brings out the best of car culture, if you will. Yeah, everybody around here has a dope build. It's just been so much fun. Only downside has been, it's just there's so many dope cars up here that traffic has been backed up like super bad. It's been ridiculous. I'm sure I told you guys this earlier today, but it took us over an hour to get to the show, to the convention center, and it was literally only 2 miles away from where we're staying right now. So, but other than that, besides the traffic, man, it's been a blast. I don't know if Lane or Cole or Adam's watching this right now, but if you guys are watching this, thanks for having me along for the ride. Hope I wasn't too lame. Adam, shouts out to you for getting out of the car game. Is probably the smartest thing you could possibly ever do financial wise. I wish I had the guts to do it, but I don't. I just like cars too much. But yeah, he's gonna be out of the car game after this. He's getting rid of that Civic he has, probably getting a Type R, and driving off the face of the planet. And probably never go to shows again. So, but I definitely appreciate the times that we've had, and a little bit of time that I've known him. So yeah, if I film something tomorrow, it'll be at the end of this video, or if I don't, then this will be the end. But just thanks guys for having me along. You guys have been great. So if you like these videos, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep on pumping them out. I don't know of what, but you know, I always figure it out. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.